Today we will cook ceviche, Peruvian dish that I like so much, from Tumbes, the west coast of Peru. Hello, I'm Chef Vivien, French chef. We will cook, let's say cook, you will understand after, ceviche. Today we will prepare ceviche of cod, but you can prepare ceviche of many white fish. Some people also do some ceviche with salmon. Usually it's white fish. Today we will do a version like for starter for around 2 people, but this can be a real dish, a full dish with sweet potato, with corn and with more things. Traditional ceviche is a simple dish with a simple ingredients that can be fish, salt, pepper, lime, better lime, but you can put lemon or mix together, red onion, red hot chili pepper that we will play today with also a little bit of this one. I will explain you for what. Of course, it's no way to don't put cilantro in ceviche is obligation, some fresh cilantro, and that's all. So it's a very little bit ingredients. You can add some ginger. Some people put ginger in powder even or fresh. Some people will add some garlic even also in powder, garlic in powder or this. So let's prepare it. We won't do a special leche de tigre. We will do a quick version. So let's start with the fish. Let's cut nice cubes of fish this way, around 2 centimeters. Put on the bowl. It's a really interesting and playful recipe because you can use many different fishes. You can cut different size. You can also cut in slice. In this case, the name of dish will change. It will be tiraditos, little slice. And finally, it's marinated fish, but it's quite cooked in the juice of lime and lemon. So we'll put red onion to marinate. This is obligation, very fresh, very nice. We cut the onion. Some people rinse it in water. I don't rinse it in water for marinated. After we'll rinse for some to put for decoration, but to put here I don't rinse it. So a little bit of garlic, so it's fresh pink French garlic. So we put a little bit. Garlic, lime. So a juice of 1 lime and half lemon. Let's start with this. You can see the volume. No ceviche without a little hot taste. I remove seeds from this Thai pepper. I cut it very finely. Salt, pepper and cilantro. We mix. The fish start to cook. It's more stronger and start to be more white color. So it's not raw fish, it's cooked by acid in lime and lemon. So we say it's cooked. It's not raw, it's cooked. Also people do the same way in very much more juice. Chicken, rabbit, usually white meat, you can also do this process. So for the time of cooking, it depends how do you like it. If it's 2 centimeter size fish, I recommend you, I like around 10-15 minutes, it's a maximum for me, because it's still tender, it is like cooked outside but still raw inside, like I like fish. But you can cook it 20 minutes, 25 minutes if you like it completely cooked and completely marinated. So to cook in this case is to wait. This is kind of a low-tech recipe because we don't use any energy to cook, we use lemon. So for dressing, red pepper, some pieces, of course some avocado. There they will put more sweet potato, batat. In Peru they will call it boniato, the sweet potato. Check the video how to cook sweet potato, but right now we do like a kind of little salad, little starter. I put some lemon juice to keep the avocado green. I cut it in pieces. This will be the fond of the plate. I put avocado as a base. Now I take from my garden some salad, special salad. Devil ears from my garden. So I add once again cilantro on the avocado, salt, some little crispy cubes of red bell pepper, some red onion that I will rinse in the water for decoration. Onion, we just rinse them in a cold water, even with ice, for around 10 minutes, and you can change the water. It will be not so strong, still tasty and crispy and very interesting. And these other two ice is a little secret. I put them in the ceviche instead of the bouillon, instead of the broth I told you. Now to serve it very, very cold, very fresh, we put ice. Let's try the sauce. Very nice. So now we can serve. Our ceviche is ready. Okay, some sauces, of course. Some cold and rinse onion. Pepper, cilantro. So we serve it with a piece of lime, and we wish you a very nice flight to Peru, to Tumbes. Ceviche, Peruvian cuisine with a lot of taste, fresh taste, freshness for summer. So ideal for summer, of course, to get some vitamin and fresh taste of cilantro.